Chris Velasco, Engadget. Apple debuted a program in March that let it repair Face ID on newer iPhones without replacing the whole device, but it left the iPhone X out of the equation. Frustrating if you're determined to use that classic handset for a while longer. This shouldn't be a problem for now on, though. MacRumors has learned that Apple and authorized repair centers can now repair Face ID on the iPhone X without requiring a full-on replacement. Your much-loved handset should, otherwise, remain intact. The initial program only offered these more targeted repairs for the iPhone XS and newer models. The update expands support to all iPhones with Face ID. The expansion comes as Apple rethinks its overall stance on repairs. The company made it easier for third-party repair shops to fix displays without breaking Face ID, and has announced a self-service repair program. While these moves may be in response to public and regulatory pressure, they're welcome news for anyone hoping to extend the life of an Apple gadget without hefty fees or unnecessary device swaps. All products recommended by Engadget are selected by our editorial team, independent of our parent company. Some of our stories include affiliate links. If you buy something through one of these links, we may earn an affiliate commission.